Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys? Once again, this is Eric Mata of Ekong Tech. Before anything else, I would like to thank all my friends and subscribers, especially my classmates, for undying support. Thank you very much. Um, for today's video, I will be making a fog machine similar to this, but I will be making my own version, a cheaper version. Keep on watching, and I will show you how to make my fog machine. Let's go!
Materials that we needed is pressure spray bottle, copper or aluminum pipe, butane gas canister, butane gas torch. You can just put it like this. And steel brass. That's all what we need. Let's build it.
Don't forget to put the steel brass in here to block the flame, because if you don't block the flame will go through and it's not too much fog. So it's done. This is the glycerin USB. This is what I'm gonna be using as a fogging chemical. I will mix this one to a water. I already pre-mix it. I will just put it in, but this is like a mix of water and the glycerin. Okay, let's try it. It's ready.
Guys, if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss anything of my video. Thank you very much for watching.